Hi, my name is Kelsie Bailey.
Hi, I'm Raveena.
Today we're going to show you some different functional exercises you can do here at Total Fitness. You ready?
Yep.
Alright. Alright. Raveena's now going to demonstrate a slam ball. So what she's going to do, she's going to come up to the ball, she's going to bend down in a nice squat, and notice she's not rounding her back when she goes to grab it. And then when she comes up the top, it's coming on up overhead, and she's slamming as hard as she can to the ground. And notice one good thing that she's doing is when she slams the ball, she's coming down to meet it at the ground instead of bending here at the back to come and grab it, putting that strain there. So really good form. Right there. And about anywhere from probably 10 to 20 reps of this to really get the heart rate up, burn those shoulders, burn the arms, and the core. So the next one we're going to ever do is use the slam ball again, but what we're going to do is she's going to slam the ball down, and then the next move is going to be she's going to bring it up and toss it over her shoulder. So we'll watch her here. She comes on up, slams the ball, she comes back down, over the shoulder toss, nice and easy, nothing too hard, doesn't roll. Good. Over that shoulder. Good. And each time she's hitting that opposite shoulder by turning that 180. Good. Anywhere again from about 10 to 20 reps of this will really get that heart rate up. So the next one we'll have Raveena demonstrate is using the slam ball again, but this time what we're going to do is do 3 different levels of her doing the slam ball chest pass. And then she chooses an exercise of her choice, or if she has one that she wants to do, to get to the ball here after she chest passes. We'll watch her here when she comes down to get this chest pass and go the other way. You'll see she kind of drops down to the knees and uses a lot of core strength to get that. And then the next one, this third one, is coming down actually sitting back and then driving up